Hey guys, it's Chris, and this isn't one of the typical videos that I usually upload on the channel. I have a problem, and it's kind of a serious one. Let's get into it. If you're a subscriber on this channel, you probably know that I installed a mini Type R wing as one of the first mods that I've done to the car. Yeah, it was a tad high and we ended up even scratching the paint, but the wing has held up great and I loved how it changed the look of the car, giving it a more complete look. It even made it through a 5-hour drive, going 90 miles an hour on the highway numerous times. It even survived the whole winter with all the snow being dumped on it and like resting on the wing, and like me driving in the most windiest days. Yeah, it wobbled, but it didn't wobble as much as it's been doing now, because recently I started to notice the wing vibrate or wobble more than usual when going highway speeds. Even when I retightened all the screws, I looked back at my rearview mirror and it looked like that thing was about to fly off any second and smash into someone's windshield. So I made a decision of taking off the wing and temporarily filling the holes until I can get somebody from a body shop to work on it. And then in the future, yeah, I like to have the wing on the car because it doesn't look complete without the wing, in my opinion. So I'm probably gonna get like a bigger or better wing and have a professional install it, not me, because you know, I kind of winged it that time. Get it? Wing. Corny. Anyways, in the future, I'm in the market of purchasing a bigger wing and installing the wing myself. When I first started the channel, like I was too excited and I didn't think about the consequences of what could happen. So I am now suffering from the stupid thing that I've done. So you learn your lessons and you move on. You know, that's how life goes pretty much. But it's definitely a learning experience, and now I know it's a pretty serious issue. Especially seeing those rust spots on the car. Yeah, that's what it looks like without it. This is slightly raised up a little bit, so I have to take this to the body shop to flatten this out and fill the holes. And as far as this outline of the tape that I put on, it's not coming off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maybe clay bar this. Maybe that'll help.
Here you just kind of like,
Yeah. So I got it as clean as possible. So a couple things going on here. One right here, the paint peeled off, and now this part is a little bit rusty. And another part of the paint peeled off here, as well as over here. So I completely messed up my hatch with that wing. So for a temporary fix, I'm just gonna put a wrap over this until I can bring the car into a body shop. Right here on the other side, it's not that bad, but you know, I still have these holes that are kind of protruding outward. Even if I put a wrap on this, like, it's still gonna show that there's holes. Because look at that. Man. Now, luckily for me, this hasn't rusted yet. Whereas this one on this side, there are a couple of rust spots. Well, the holes don't have rust. It's just where the paint chipped off. So yeah, we clay barred it. We tried to wash it off. This part right here won't come off, and even this part right here. So I would have to take it to a body shop, let them sand over this, flatten this out, and fill the holes pretty much. But yeah, this is the state of the hatch. Also, if you're not subscribed to this channel, I upload twice a week, so hit that subscribe button. It really helps this channel a lot. Every milestone this channel reaches, I do giveaways, so share this with your friends and family. That way, you know, the more subscribers I have, the more giveaways I can do. Anyways, you know, you guys probably already know me, but this is Time FK7. Thank you all for watching, and peace out.